Waiting for our train to go back to our hotel. Yeah, we are leaving Pilatus Mountain. We are going back to our hotel. The train is setting off now. Our seat is at the last row at the back. So at the way back down the mountain, we got to see different view. It should be jungles, valleys, and beautiful lake. And it is almost summer in Swiss, and weather is quite warm, but we still can see some leftover snow from the winter after the spring. Swiss Alps are incomparable. You see layers over layers of mountains. Amazing. I love this train because the window glass is windable, so we can feel the breeze of wind and smell the trees from the jungle. And I can also lean out a little to get my camera out of the window so that I can take some incredible view in front there. But hey guys, please don't do it too much. Maybe there will be some branches or lampposts close to the train. Here, I'm doing the most risky part of the shooting. I hope I don't drop my phone. Oops. I'll try to get out a little bit. You see that beautiful lake? Wow, wonderful. Incredible, fantastic. Please be careful, don't go out too much. So another train is going up. Yes, I make it. There is another white train in front of our train. I bet I'll miss this trip. See the incredible, fantastic view. Beautiful, so green. I'm so happy that I can ride this most wonderful cogwheel train in the world. And I heard it is the best and the steepest cogwheel railway. And be careful and watch your hand. I told you the lamp pole is very close to the train. You see it? I'm so glad today I finally could ride this train. It is most memorable trip in Switzerland. We are arriving the station. Wow, wonderful railway. You see? enjoy my video. If you like my video, don't forget to share, like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.